Okay, it's day 5, finish day. We've been pulling wires and pulling harnesses and routing stuff and tying things off. You can see we've got just about everything done up in here. It's all kind of tied off. We still have a few things to do, but this is finish day. We're going to put our batteries in. We're going to finish up the wiring. Close off the dashboard, and then we're going to take it and float it and see how it floats. So keep watching. We got battery switches to put in. Everything's run for the battery switches. We're almost there.
Emergency start solenoid, combine the house and the engine batteries along with the proper momentary activation switch. I'm going to make a little panel, screw this to the panel and then screw it up on the ceiling. This way it's away from the elements and directly in between the two batteries.
Just go ahead and light the fire there. So this way you can pull the cable off the wall.
Hold it. Hold on.
Okay. Alright, it's been a very busy 5 days, but we have reached the goal. We have our engines installed, mounted. We're going to show them starting them just a second. We've had a hurricane come through. We've got delayed from businesses not being open and deliveries not being able to do it, but we still came out on top. We've got the transition in 5 days from inboards to outboards. So here we go. We're going to start them up.
Off to the ramp we go. First test in the water. See what we get out of her. Didn't promise the customer any speeds. Good. So far, so good. They're right there. Right? Yeah. You're on them.
No, the trim tabs.
That's just trim for the engine.
They were up all the way.